Welcome to Man That's Cooking. In this video, we're going to show you how to make holiday turkey balls. Oh, perfect appetizer for Thanksgiving, Christmas, Easter, yeah, but mostly Thanksgiving. Alright, first step is to add 2 cups of chicken broth to a pot, bring it to a boil. And then man's going to add some stovetop turkey flavored stuffing. So this is the instant style stuffing. It's quick and easy. You just add it to boiling liquid, stir it, and remove it from the heat. So let that stuffing sit for at least 5 minutes to cool down, then add it to a large mixing bowl. Next you want to add 1 pound of ground turkey and mix it around. And it doesn't have to be too thorough at this point because it's time to add some seasonings. So these seasonings are going to be like a holiday seasonal type flavor. Got some dried sage, some thyme, some black pepper, some white pepper, some powdered onion. And feel free to use whatever seasonings you like, but this is kind of the holiday collection, if you will. When you add all your seasonings, go ahead and mix everything together by hand, and if you have a glove, that's the best way to go. If not, everyone tastes your hand, and who knows where your hand was. Alright, it's time to make some turkey balls. So take the turkey meat mixture with the stuffing there and flatten it out in the palm of your hand, and take some of the goat cheese. Place that in the center, and then add some of the dried cranberries. No, not those cranberries. Anyway, work it all around and form it into a ball just like this. And we're going to show you how it's done one more time. It's pretty simple. You want to make this uniform in size. Usually the palm of your hand is good enough. And so that means if you have large hands, you end up with large, well, you get it. So these turkey balls are getting placed on a greased with Pam cooling rack, and they're going to go on a smoker. And when the work is done, this is what you get. Oh yeah, this is going to be good. Take a look at the inconsistency there. You got a cranberry hanging out there. You know, man would always get an F in his kindergarten projects, and it shows. Look at that. So these are going into a pellet smoker at 200 degrees Fahrenheit with applewood smoke, and they're going to cook until they reach 162 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're going to use a temperature probe like man here is doing, make sure you keep it in the meat section. Don't put it all the way into the center. You don't want to know the temperature of the cheese. You want to know the temperature of the meat. Now, if you don't have a smoker, that's fine. You can bake these at 350 for about 25 to 35 minutes. Or if you have a grill, a charcoal, or propane, you can cook them offset for roughly 20 minutes, 30 minutes or so, and then finish them directly over the flame. So these turkey balls hit the 162 temp on the smoker, and they were transferred over to a propane grill, and that's where they're getting finished off over the flame, getting a nice fire flavor added to them. Take a look at this. I mean, doesn't this look good? I mean, you can see where this is headed. You can probably imagine how awesome this is going to taste. And you're right. So when these reach a safe temp, at least 164, 165, remember carryover cooking is a thing. Take them off and let these balls rest. So let's slice open one of these and see what's on the inside. Well, we got a creamy white cheese center. see the stuffing, you can see the cranberries in there. But hey, the turkey meat looks pink. What's up with that? Let me Google that for you. You see, if you smoke turkey or chicken, it might turn out pink, and that doesn't mean it's undercooked, it's just smoked. So, no need for the hate comments, unless you're bored and you still want to look stupid. What about a dipping sauce? Hey, glad you asked. So here's an idea. This is strawberry jam, and we got some fresh sliced jalapenos, and that's going to make it some sweet heat for your ball meat. And you could do all kinds of other things, like a jar of turkey gravy. You could heat that up, but these do go well with all kinds of different sauces. And in this case, when you have that goat cheese center, it's going to taste really awesome with the strawberries. And if you like heat, yeah, you got to have a little bit of jalapeno in there. Oh yeah, shovel it on the plate. Yeah, look at that. Get another one. Another spoonful. How about that? Yeah, slice it open. You know what? I think this needs more sauce. Why don't we yeah, get a jalapeno too. Right there. Yeah, that one. Oh, this is gonna be perfect. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have the best holidays ever. And like, subscribe, and check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.